Let's be real. Promotions, titles, corner offices, lahat yan maganda. Pero minsan, nakakalimutan natin na promotion is not the destination. It's just the assignment. Kasi kung dati humble ka, tapos bigla kang nagbago dahil may title ka na, baka hindi leadership problem yan. Baka heart check na yan. True leadership isn't about control. It's about calling. Hindi mo kailangang laging marinig, pero dapat mararamdaman ng team mo na leader ka talaga. And you'll know that you're leading right kapag yung mga dating takot magkamali, ngayon, willing nang sumubok kasi alam nilang may magbubuhat sa kanila at hindi magbabagsak. Titles fade, but impact stays. God doesn't promote you para yumabang ka. He promotes you para magamit ka. Kaya kahit gaano kataas ang role mo ngayon, stay grounded. Lead with humility. At kung medyo lost ka na sa purpose mo, bumalik ka lang sa source. Kasi sa dulo, leadership is not about being in charge. It's about being in character.